What's going on, Social Cam? I just picked up brand new, well, not brand new. I haven't actually looked up the year yet. This is a really cool guitar. I've always wanted one. See this? See the flex? It's an epi, but it's blue. Goes really good with the pink. Hold on. These two guitars are gonna look pretty cool side by side on stage. I'm just saying. But that's not all. Actually, try not to die here. Not quite in tune, but cool sounding guitar. Yeah, I'm digging it, and it looks cool. Looks cool. Sounds good. I'm happy. Happy. Cheap too. Cheap is good. Carry on.